So we just arrived and we went to that we've been going to that place, to that what's that? To that, no, it's a French. Yeah, it's a French place. And this tonight will be our last night here. So I will just show you. So they have this baguette, super yummy baguette. Yeah, super good baguette, and it's good price also for that. And then we have this one. What's this? Pan chocolate. And then this one also, I don't know. This will be our dinner. And then, oh my god, I will show you this one. Pate. We're gonna take this back to Thailand because it's so expensive. Where we are staying in Thailand, it's so expensive, the pate. So this one is a French pate. Of course. And then we have this one for tonight, pate. Pepper. Oh, this was the last night we had, the other night, and it was really good. And then we also have this one. It's a Moroccan chili. Yeah. So Torjak said it's really good. So also we also get this one. And it's really hot outside, so I'm sweating. So okay, we're gonna have our dinner now. Pate, baguette. Ooh la la.
So we need pate and baguette.
Oh, we need the butter. You want?
Butter with pate.
No butter with pate and baguette. Hallelujah, hallelujah, hallelujah. I think that is what I'm in love with French. It's the food, not the language. Sorry. I love the food. Ooh la la. Let's try this. But this. So what's inside? Ham. Ham? So good. Yum. So done. Oh, super full. Super yummy. Now time check is, what time na? It's, I cannot see it from here. I cannot see it from here, so I don't know what time na. Time check, it's 7:51. I'm gonna do a quick live, and then tomorrow is our trip. Tomorrow is we're gonna be leaving here. Our bus is what's that? It's gonna be 12 noon. So we still have things to pack, but it's not really it's okay, easy to pack. And then yeah, so thank you.
Could refill water?
Yeah, I think so.
Could refill now because the baby bottle.
There's ice.
Oh, it was there.
And then so we're gonna be in Thailand tomorrow. And that's it. Back to Thailand. And then what else? Yeah, so I will update you more. And then I'm gonna make more videos. And then maybe I'm gonna do more, there will be cooking videos because we have kitchen there, so I can cook my adobo. I miss adobo. It was really, it was good. Pianten Lao. We just came here for important, so because we need to do that, that visa. But yeah, it was good. It was just we were in the city, so it's too now we went out. I thought it was already done. Now we went out, and there's so many again, like a night market. But smaller. But yeah, so many things. So I got some t-shirts. So yes. So okay, that's all for now. I'm gonna do a quick live on my Facebook page and on my what's this YouTube account, YouTube page. So okay, bye.